You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, I want to put a little face on here. Now, you might have watched my video where I brought my little Joy in the car and put a face on it, but afterwards I kind of just thought it was too big, and it's my own fault. I made it that big. When I was designing it, I wanted it big, and now I've changed my mind. So I took that off. It wasn't really easy to take off because it was permanent, but a lot of picking. It came off clean, no residue. So we're going to make a new little face that's going to sit right here and be cute. So let's get started on that. Here's Design Space. This is the cute little face. I found this in Design Space, but I had to make the little mouth. So I'm going to click Make It. I have my Joy selected. I'm going to click Make It. And we're going to do without a mat. Oh, and that's not what I want. I forgot to attach it. So let's go back and do that. Cancel. So I want all the black pieces to be cut exactly together. And right now they're just grouped together. So they move around here, but grouping doesn't help in the cut screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select only the black images, selecting this one in the layers panel, and I'm going to hold down the shift key and then select the eyes. So both of these are selected, and then I'm going to click attach. Oh, but you know what it did? It attached everything because I had it grouped. So let's undo. Now we're going to ungroup this whole image. So now they're all separate. And we're going to click the mouth and we're going to click the eyes. And now we're going to attach. And it happened again. The reason is I forgot. I have the mouth grouped. So the mouth itself is grouped for these two images. I didn't ungroup that. Okay, so now I'm going to click this, hold down my shift key, click the eyes, and now attach again. So now we have the black pieces attached together, and this little piece goes in the center. So that's what we're going to do. Now, all of that was completely user error. Don't group them first. Now, if I want them to move together or size them together with this, I can group these. Let me put it on there good. And click group. And now we can do that. But now you click make it. We're going to do without a mat. And now it's going to cut out correctly. And this is just that little piece. So let's get started. So we're on favorites. I've only favorited one item so far, so I'm just going to click on popular. For the black, I'm doing first, and that is Smart Vinyl Removable. So I'm going to click on that, and now it's ready to load. So let's go. You can watch me load it up. So here's the black. Oh, got to open it first. And just push this in. Now I have to click the Go button in Design Space. Now I click the Unload button. And there's the design. I'm going to set this over here, and now we're just going to do the next one. We don't even have to go back to Design Space. All we have to do is push this in. I didn't have to hit any buttons. Now I have to hit the Go button. And it's done. Now I hit the Unload button in Design Space, and we're all done. Now let's put this happy face on here. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my favorite Cricut scissors and just cut a small corner here. And then I'm going to cut this off. So we got the mouth. Now what I can do, I have 2 layers. I just have a, look at that. That will fit there. Awesome. This is just a scrap. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to lay this on top of here. I'm going to pick that piece up first. So we got the mouth first, and we're going to put it on the machine all at one time. So I'm going to burnish this down with my scraper. And then I'm going to pick up everything at the same time. I'm going to lay that right in the center of the mouth. There, now I can burnish it all, rubbing it really hard with the scraper. Flipping it over. Rubbing it again. And then you peel the backing off. And if you peel the backing off really close, like really close to the transfer tape, it'll come off easier. There we go. Isn't that face cuter? Okay, I'm gonna stick it. Let me take that plug out. So maybe I can put this up like this so you guys can see better. Then we gotta press it down again. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's take off the transfer. Now, instead of pulling up, like you don't want to just put up. That, I mean, it's actually working okay, but usually you want to pull it flat so it'll come off easier. Isn't that cute? My little Joy now has a face. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, I do Cricut Design Space classes for free every Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific. Don't miss out. I also do a giveaway every Saturday. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and click that bell to be notified every time I upload a video or go live. Bye.